What's the opposite of hot? Easy, right? It's cold. But what about the opposite of brave? Or synonyms for smart? Stay tuned, because today you'll learn synonyms and antonyms with fun, simple examples. Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel. On this channel, we make English simple and fun. Today, you'll learn synonyms and antonyms, how to use them in daily life, and practice with activities so you'll never forget. What are synonyms? Definition: words with same or similar meanings. Examples, with sentences. Synonyms of happy are glad, joyful, cheerful. Example, she is happy today. She is joyful today. Synonyms of big are large, huge, enormous. Example, I have a big problem. I have a huge problem. Synonyms of fast are quick, rapid, speedy. Example, this car is fast. This car is speedy. Synonyms of beautiful are pretty, gorgeous, attractive. Examples, she looks beautiful in this dress. She looks gorgeous in this dress. Synonyms of smart are intelligent, bright, clever. Examples, he is a smart student. He is an intelligent student. What are antonyms? Definition: words with opposite meanings. Examples, with sentences. Hot, cold. Example, the soup is hot. The juice is cold. Tall, short. Example, he is tall. She is short. Happy, sad. Example, I am happy. I am sad. Early, late. Example, he came early. He came late. Strong, weak. Example, she is strong. He is weak. Easy, difficult. Example, this test is easy. This test is difficult. Fun practice game. Game 1. Guess the synonym. Example, what's another word for angry? Options: sad, furious, cold. Game 2. Guess the antonym. Example, what's the opposite of noisy? Options: silent, loud, angry. Write your answers in comments. You will find some advanced examples in the description box below. So, today, in this video, we learned synonyms like happy, joyful, and antonyms like hot, cold. Remember, synonyms equals similar meanings, antonyms equals opposites. Now it's your turn. Pick one word, for example, strong, and write both a synonym and antonym in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for a new video.